Usable art. Art doesn't have to be something we just look at or use for creative self-care. In this video, I'm going to show you an experiment I did to create a flexible translucent bookmark with my Galaxy papers. I love making my Galaxy papers with acrylic inks on tissue paper or medical exam paper. It's day 7 of my 100 days of small art for the 100 Day Project, and I'm shifting gears from my Lake Ontario beach rock inspired collage to usable small art. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create a coordinated set with stickers and then a jewelry set with coordinating gift bag. But for today, it's just a short little look at how you can create your own custom bookmarks with easily accessible materials. I'd love to hear if you give it a try, and also if there's anything you'd like to see me create, as well as different types of collage papers, including gel prints. I do have a 100 Days of Collage Paper playlist here on the channel, and as I keep experimenting with things, I'll also be showing more things that I hope inspire you to also be making art. And if you enjoy my artware, you can check it out in my fourth wall shop, because we all need a reminder to take an art break, because we are better with art. I've made bookmarks from gel prints made on cardstock, even in one of my workshops. Today I thought I'd try it on some Galaxy paper I had on hand. This one is tissue paper, this is medical exam paper, to see how it works with a thinner paper. All you need is some paper, heavy packing tape, and a pair of scissors. To make a simple bookmark with packing tape, you choose an area of the paper you like particularly well. Tear off a length. This is a little long, but that's okay. And these are such cool papers. I will link to a video of using them in our journal. Choose a spot, and then trim one edge. I find that's the easiest way to line up the back. Another thing you can use is a tassel or ribbon or other type of attachment. Turn it over and line up the back tape. Oh shoot. Oh, nuts. Careful. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited that this is working. Yay! All right. A little bit of tissue paper caught there. And it did leave a little bit of purple, but we're gonna go ahead. Line that up. And trim it up. One thing I forgot to do, another good item to have for this is a brayer. Give you a nice smooth attachment. So this is the tissue paper, and if this works as well as it does, with the tape, it gives it some sturdiness. It's not easily tearable, and it has a bit of translucence. The back looks cool. The metallic doesn't really come through, but it's still really cool. And if the tissue paper works as well, I'm going to assume the medical exam paper will as well, though I won't have that flexibility if I accidentally put the tape in the wrong place. All in all, I am quite satisfied with this experiment. After I finished the previous part of this video, in fact, just this morning, as I'm recording this closing voiceover, I found that there is actually a video of the creation of the two papers I used. I will link to it in the description, and you should also be able to find it as a suggestion at the end of this video. Among the other links in the description will be a link to the materials I'm using in this series. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful. I will be back with more snack-sized tutorials like this one and my longer form ones to encourage you to be making art. If you haven't yet, subscribe to follow along.